and welcome to Free Dictionary Friday with ETETutor. So it's very snowy here in the UK, so it's quite apt that our spelling bee word relates to that. So if you do struggle with spelling, these ones can be really useful, and they're great for developing your vocabulary and kind of checking in on how your vocabulary is, because unlike a lot of the quizzes, here we're actually given the definition and then we have to work out the word. So today we've got a small hard mound or bump on a ski slope. Okay, so quite a specific word. If you're doing GCSEs, knowing specific words like this is great. We can award marks for your ambitious vocabulary. So let's have a go at spelling this one. Okay, got it right, yes. So let's have a look and see a little bit more detail and listen to their pronunciation. So we can see that the definition is what we've just seen before, and if we have a listen we can hear it.
Mogul. Mogul.
Mogul. Now you may have heard this word but in a different context, and it's good to be able to remember them in pairs. So a mogul is also somebody who's very rich and powerful. So if you think of somebody like Rupert Murdoch, he's a media mogul. Alright then, I really hope that's helped. Keep going with your spelling. If you're like me and you do find spelling more of a challenge, then this should really help you out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these Free Dictionary Friday videos. Alright then, thanks for watching. Bye!